Welcome to FIBSc class. I am Dr. Saroj Hole. Today I will teach you standard and canonical SOP and POS form and conversion of SOP to POS and POS to SOP. So, the logic expression is said to be in the standard or canonical form if each SOP term consists of all the literals or variables in their complemented or uncomplemented form. So the standard SOP form is y is equal to ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar. So each product term contain all the three variables. So the Boolean expression is said to be in standard POS form if all the terms in the POS consist of all the literals in the complemented or uncomplemented form. For example, equal to A plus B plus C, A bar B bar plus C and A plus B C bar. So each individual term is standard POS form is called as mean term. So for example, consider A plus B plus C bar plus B bar. So each individual max terms called as max term. Okay. Now we will see the conversion of SOP and POS expression to its standard SOP POS form. So the given expression can be converted to their standard SOP POS form as seen in the SOP form. Each product term consists of the literals. So y is equal to AB plus AB bar plus A bar B bar is standard SOP. Y is equal to AB plus ABC plus ABC bar is not standard SOP. So the conversion of expression into standard SOP form is a three-step process. So for each term find the missing literal, then add the term with the term formed by ORing the missing literal and its components. Simplify the obtained equation. Convert the expression y is equal to AB plus AC bar plus BC in the standard SOP form. So the solution given expression is y is equal to AB plus AC bar plus BC. Now step 1, find the missing literal in each term. So missing literal in AB is C. Missing literal in AC bar is B. Missing literal in BC is A. Now in step 2, add each term with its missing literal plus its complement. So C plus C bar is AB into C plus C bar plus AC bar B plus B bar plus BC A plus A bar. Note that C plus C bar is equal to 1, then it does not changes the value of expression. Now what is step 3? We have to simplify the expression. So y is equal to AB plus C bar. I will break the bracket. So it becomes ABC plus ABC bar. Then plus ABC bar plus AB bar C bar plus ABC plus A bar BC. Now I will collect the common terms ABC bar and rest of the terms as it is. Now since we know that A plus A is A, so y is equal to, I can write ABC plus ABC is ABC bar plus ABC bar is equal to ABC bar, and rest of the terms A plus AB bar C bar plus A bar BC. Since in the above expression each term contain all the literals, it is in the standard SOP form. Now conversion to standard POS form. In the standard POS form, each sum term consists of all the literals in the complemented or uncomplemented forms. For example, y is equal to A bar plus B into A bar plus B bar into A plus B bar is the standard POS. Now whereas y is equal to a bar plus b bar into a plus b plus c is not standard POS. So the given POS expression can be converted into standard POS form using 3 steps. So step 1 is form each term, find the missing literal. Step 2, or each term with the term formed by adding the missing literal in that term with its complement. Step 3, simplify the expression to obtain standard POS form. So for example, convert the expression y is equal to a plus b into a plus b bar into b plus c bar into the standard POS form. So the solution, find the missing literal in each term. Y is equal to a plus b. So missing literal is c. In a plus b bar, missing literal is c, and b plus b bar, missing literal is a. So step 1 is or each term with missing literal and its complement. So I will add c bar, a plus b, then a plus b bar plus c bar into b plus c bar plus a bar. Now I will simplify the expression. So what I will get? A plus b, I will put small p is equal to a plus b, small q is equal to a plus b bar, and small r is equal to b plus c bar. So y is equal to p plus c bar into q plus c bar into r plus a bar. So since a plus b is equal to a plus b into a plus c, I can write a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c bar into a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c bar. So b plus c bar plus a plus b plus into c bar plus a bar. So y is equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c bar. So a plus b bar plus c, a plus b bar plus c bar into a plus a bar plus b plus c bar. So since each term of our expression contains all the literals to the equation is standard POS form. So today we have finished SOP POS and conversion SOP to POS, POS to SOP. Okay, so that's all. So I will finish today.